A catastrophe is unfolding at the Nepal-China border where a disaster has claimed lives and created an urgent humanitarian crisis. As the death toll continues to rise, officials are now facing a new threat, a lake that has formed and is at risk of flooding, complicating rescue efforts. Families are left in anguish, awaiting news about their loved ones. Rescue teams are working relentlessly in dangerous conditions, and the international community is being urged to step in and provide support. Join us as we follow this tragic event and its implications on the affected communities. Stay tuned for updates on this developing story.